As we celebrate the birthday of Imam Zainul Abidin, we reflect on the legacy of a noble figure, a beacon of wisdom, and a source of inspiration for humanity. Born into the lineage of Prophet Muhammad, Imam Zainul Abidin, the fourth Imam, left an indelible mark on Islamic history. Despite the challenges he faced, Imam Zainul Abidin exemplified unparalleled patience, compassion, and devotion to Allah. His prayers and supplications, collected in Sahifa Sajjad, offer profound insights into spirituality. Today, as we come together to commemorate his birthday, let us draw inspiration from his teachings of empathy, kindness, and resilience. Let this day be a reminder to spread love, compassion. On this blessed occasion, let us embody the spirit of Imam Zainul Abidin and strive for a world filled with peace, understanding, and unity.